Hi, gang. Chris here, Real Window Creative. I was just kind of thinking about what I could show you that you may not know about. And again, I just did the library at lynda.com video. I got to thinking about the other things I do at the library that, like I said, nobody seems to have a library card that I know that I've asked anyway. So I thought I'd show you something else, and that is how you can access some amazing free video movie content on your local library. So you can see that I've navigated to my library here. One of them, it just happens to be King County Library out of Seattle area. And I've already logged in. So if you haven't logged in or don't have a card, you need to go get a card and go ahead and log in, and that'll be your first step. And so here we've got some nice drop downs across the top. And I'm just going to look at the online library and see what's going on in here. And you can see there's a bunch of stuff. There's historical maps, newspaper articles, photos, just so many things in here. But right now we're going to look at movies and TV. So there's about 6 different apps for this. 7. I'm just going to go click on Hoopla. So this takes me to the Hoopla Digital. They're partnered with the library. And this will be what you will do. It's going to ask to find your library. So I'll put mine in. Okay, so I don't know if I need to do the get started. If you don't have an account already, you would need to do that. I think I've already got an account set up, so I'm just going to log in. See what happens here. Okay, they're telling me I don't. They're telling me that doesn't exist. Let's try something else. Course. Okay, so here we go again. All right, so I'm going to skip that. I'm waiting for them to send me a password reset for Hoopla. So I'm just going to, let's try Kanopy. How about that? Here we go. Kanopy, free movies. Oh, it already logged me in. Okay, so I didn't have to log in. This is my account in Kanopy. There it is. So you can browse. Popular this month. Oh, I was watching Les Miserables last. But there's some documentaries. Look at that, Chinatown. Let's see. So if I browse. Oh, I haven't seen this. Look at here. I'm not even going to browse. So here's a release that was just added. I don't think I've ever seen this. Only God Forgives with Ryan Gosling. Gritty thriller set in the city underbelly of Bangkok. Only God Forgives reunites the vision of renowned director Nicholas Winding Refn Drive with Ryan Gosling. It gives you all the pertinent info. And then you only get a certain amount of credits. And apparently mine is 5. I thought it was more than that. But I've got 5 credits, and that resets every month. And so you just hit play, and you're watching that movie. Why not? I think I'll watch it anyway, so I'll go ahead and start it up. And look at that. You're watching a movie. Now I can cast this to another device or watch it on any of my devices, actually. Okay, well, that's it. Short and sweet. Go watch some free movies with your library card.